What up, gang? I've got Jorge back here. He's doing a little bit of an adjustment. And what are you adjusting today, Jorge?
That floppy chain.
Yes, look how crazy that is. We're gonna get rid of that pretty
All
quick.
that hardcore riding.
You know how it is,
George
man.
out there tearing up the street.
Well, you know, that's what we do.
That's right.
That's what we do.
That's right.
So, typically, how often should you adjust, or I should say, check your chain and have it adjusted?
Me personally, every time I ride, I make sure my chain's good. I make sure my tires are good. I mean, that's just a personal thing. I mean, chain, you should definitely be checking at least every couple of months.
Yeah.
Again, it's going to stretch. The harder you ride, bigger CC bike is going to stretch even quicker.
Gotcha.
You know, a smaller CC bike definitely maybe take a little bit longer.
How often do you change your chains?
Changing them?
I know you don't really do it
Honestly,
often.
if you take care of it, this can last 20, 30,000 miles.
Wow,
it's
perfect.
about maintaining it. It's about cleaning it, keeping it lubed.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can upgrade to a nicer chain, but it's all about literally just maintenance.
Gotcha.
Yeah, chains can last however long you take care of them. You're not riding around in sandy roads, and you're not getting everything full of sand and crust. And again, you wash it, clean it, re-grease it. They definitely last a long time, for sure.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah, maintenance is key.
Hey, Jorge from Rev Right Motorsports, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, he keeps it freaking clean in the house.
Have to.
So I'll let him work on it. He's gonna go ahead and make those adjustments, and then we'll come back and look at the chain tightened up once everything's said and done, guys. Cheers. All right, brother. So what did we do?
All right, so we got this thing all nice and tightened up. We had probably, God knows, at least 3-4 inches worth of play.
Jeez.
You know, but again, that's just from riding it. It happens. You know, that's why they give you all that adjustment. You know, over time, it's gonna stretch. But now, if you see here, if I pull down.
Oh yeah,
about
what
half
a
inch
difference. Yeah, what a difference.
Come up. That's an inch. So 1.5 inches is basically key.
Awesome.
For sport bikes, 1.5 inches is nice and comfortable for everybody. You know, heavy guys, lighter guys, 1.5 inches is kind of the sweet spot.
Obviously, too, if you have an actual loose chain, if you're with a bike that has as much torque as these bikes have,
Can't get them to skip.
exactly, you got to be careful with that.
Yeah, you don't want to start losing sprockets and chewing stuff up. Yeah.
Yeah, track racing too with the loose chain is not very fun.
No. Yeah, that can be dangerous.
So did you adjust this one? Did you adjust another one as well?
Yeah, this one is complete. The other Yamaha is complete.
Perfect.
I can get on the Honda if you want, just that too.
If there's is it loose?
Yeah.
Honda's loose?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that
About
too.
the same. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, they're all going to be about 1.5 inches, which, like I said, that's perfect for everything.
The ZX10 is still decent for now
Yeah,
because
you got a little while before that stretches.
yeah, no worries, man.
Yeah,
Perfect.
put some more miles on them. Yep.
Brother, I appreciate you so very much, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maintenance is key.
All right, you want to give everybody your shout?
Yeah, Rev Right Power Sports. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook. Please support. You know, whatever you guys need, I do it all.
Jorge is literally the best mechanic in the Carolinas, man. If you guys are anywhere near, he takes care of business. And I say,
Thank
you guys, you know how hard we ride. So, I mean, I tear my bikes up, he tears his bike up, but the bikes never fall apart because Jorge's on top of it.
That's it.
Period.
That's
Yeah, it's all good. But I appreciate you so much, brother, for making a
I appreciate
house
you.
call. Guys, he just rolls in with his freaking suitcase here and everything too. Comes and checks the bikes out.
Bring the goodies. That's it. Get it done.
He's amazing. We are going to shoot another video for this bike here shortly. For what are we doing, bud?
Ooh, flashing that ECU.
Yeah, we got a little Woolwich situation. Although they sent us the package, but it was missing what?
The tuner.
It's missing the tuners
Yeah,
also.
the tuner right now. It's all right. Hopefully we get that tuner because
Yeah.
done without it.
So Woolwich, if you're watching this video, man, we got a problem with the shipping thing. We already sent an
That
email.
shipping department, you know.
Yeah, we got to talk to Anthony over there.
Yeah.
Anthony's the guy.
Yeah.
All right, man. We'll talk to you soon, guys. We love you.
All right. Have a
Peace.
good one.
Cheers, bud.
Yeah, I'm sure. That's why I figured. Let me.